Hello everyone, today I will show you complete Spotify tutorial, everything you need to know part 2. Adjusting media quality. Go to settings in the app, then find media quality. Here you can select options like low, normal, high, or very high. Choose very high if you are in premium for the best sound quality, especially if you have a strong internet connection or have downloaded songs for offline listening. Using private session mode. In settings, click privacy and social, then find private session. Turn it on to listen without sharing your activity with followers or influencing your recommendations. It is perfect when you want to keep your listening private. Spotify Radio. To start a radio playlist, open any song, album, artist, or playlist you like. Tap the three dot menu and select Go to Song Radio. Spotify will create an endless playlist based on that selection, playing similar music automatically. And that is everything you need to know, part 2. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.